Today I'm going to prepare white rava upma, that is suji. For that I'm going to keep a tawa and pour oil, required oil, and I'll put mustard seeds, urad dal, red chilies required, chopped ginger, chopped coriander leaves, curry leaves, chopped onions, required salt. So altogether, I'm going to do. Now the oil is getting heated. I'm going to put mustard leaves, followed by urad dal, red chilies, and coriander leaves and curry leaves, followed by chopped ginger with required salt. Yeah, whatever the items we have put inside the tawa is fried, I'm going to add chopped onions in this. I'm frying this. After that, I'm pouring water. I'll be pouring water. 1 tumbler rava, two and a half tumbler water I'll add along with that. This is 1 tumbler of rava. And this 2.5 tumbler water I'm going to pour inside this tawa. 2.5 tumbler of water I have added in this tawa. So the measured tumbler, 1 tumbler of rava I'm going to add now because the water is getting boiled. Wow, what an aroma and bubbling sound of this recipe. Now I'm going to add this rava and I'll stir it up. I'll stir it, and within few minutes the rava upma will be ready. Let's have a fun with this. Aha, nicest upma is ready. The secret ingredient is nothing but one thing that I'm going to reveal it out. It's nothing but just pour some more oil around this upma and stir overall. Yeah, it'll become a yummy, it'll give you a yummy taste. Just taste it.